Mr. Pankaj with us, the National Sales Head for Alstone. Hi sir, how are you?
I'm fine.
When you talk about cladding, what does it mean and how important is it for a building?
I tell you the way, the way we drape ourselves when we go for anything. We drape ourselves. We wear. Similarly, the buildings also need draping. So cladding means draping the building, making them beautiful. So that's what cladding is all about: making building beautiful and sustain it for the longer time.
Alstone is already a very big name and does not need any recognition. But there's a honeycomb product which you guys have recently launched. What is it all about?
Actually, this product has very unique qualities. Today we are talking about carbon emission, zero carbon footprint and all those things, and green building solutions. So in facade, we have done a revolution in terms of putting this product. The advantage with this product is it is made up of pure aluminium. The core and the bottom and the top coil all are aluminium. So first of all is like it can be recycled 100%. So since it is reusable, the sustainability parameter is definitely done.
Nowadays sustainability is one thing which has to be in the list.
Very true. So that's the first parameter to be green. So it is 100% recyclable. So that's the first parameter. Secondly, since it is made up of honeycomb structure, it is very, very lightweight. So the dead load on the building is drastically lower than any other facade solution. So that is something which is very beautiful about this product. Third is the robustness. Because of the honeycomb structure, it gives a strength which is immense against any other solution which is available. So despite of being, say lightweight, it is still having a lot of, strength in terms of robustness, and you can clad it till any distance, any height. So other than this, you can make a panel of any size without any stiffener, any back support. So that's
Even
one
in the
thing.
facades.
In the facades and in partition, in ceilings, so it has multiple applications. Other than that, in facade, what you look for is the safety. So it is 100% fire safe. TBW has given a A2 FR grade certification to this product. So it is completely fire safe. And then because of the honeycomb structure, it has got acoustic and thermal insulation. So energy conservation is also another point which is being done with this product. And we are actually not compromising on beauty. So you can have 150 plus stunning shades, wooden,
Because
solid,
that is
metallic.
the utmost need right now. Nowadays
Yeah.
people have a lot of choices. And
Exactly.
You need to have brown, then another color of brown, and then another color of brown. So you need to have that.
So in fact, I tell you, we have got our coating line now. So Alstone has been pioneer in innovation from day one since we have launched the products 20 years back also. So what we have done is we have got our coating line. So you want Mera Wala pink, we can actually do that also and do it. And 150 plus shades are already available. And then if you want your own shade, we can definitely coat it in our coating line and provide it accordingly.
So talking about HPL, talking about louvers, what do you want to say about that?
I tell you, these are very, very innovative products. Louvers definitely are 3D version of ACP because last 20 years ACP industry has been doing with 2D versions. Now these are something 3D versions of this. So you want any 3D versions, then go for louvers. We have got fin louvers, we have got standard wall louvers also. So what exactly is you can do is with minimal of fuss, and because when you make louvers, it takes a lot of time and those are not accurate. So these are factory made things which are very, very accurate, straight, ready to install. And whatever job which is done in 15-20 days, that also inaccurate, and there's a lot of loss of material also. You can save those material time and still get factory fitted proper products which are accurate and really good to see.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us. Means a lot.
Thank you so much.